Hi everybody, Dr. Mandy here with Sioux Falls Audiology. I just wanted to get on here real quick and just kind of talk about hearing aid repairs again. I recently had a patient mail me his hearing aid and he's kind of panicked. It doesn't work, it just stopped working automatically, and I'm deaf without it, I need it. So I got it in the mail, I looked it up, and you know, sometimes these repairs are really easy to fix and there's no reasons to panic. Wax is about 85% of the reason why hearing aids instantly quit. And so I was looking at this hearing aid, and this hearing aid is a pretty common hearing aid, been around a long time. It's called a behind the ear hearing aid. And one of the things with behind the ear hearing aids is maintenance. The maintenance on these hearing aids is this little skinny tube here. So this little tube actually comes off of the hearing aid, and it's plastic. And the thing with plastic is it gets hard over time. And when you sweat or you're around a bunch of dirt, this plastic doesn't take much to get it hard. I've had patients where this gets hard in 6 weeks. I've had patients where it gets hard in 3 months or a year. It just depends on your lifestyle. Well, in this case, my go-to is, let's check the tube. The tube wasn't very hard, but then when I got my pliers out and I pulled the tube out, I found this. A little tiny plug of wax. So the sound wasn't getting through. And fortunately for him, all it was just we changed the tube and the sound could get through and the hearing aid works. So if you have a behind the ear hearing aid, don't forget the maintenance on these plastic tubes. They get hard and the sound can't get through. If you have wax problems, that wax can get up into the tube. If you have the other hearing aids that go behind your ear, like these, don't forget to pull off your dome. And I'm sure these look familiar, these little wax traps. I do have a video, you can go back and learn how to replace these wax traps, but a lot of time patients forget because you don't change them every day. You just change them whenever there's a problem. So just a few tips for the day about troubleshooting your hearing aid. If you have any questions, do give me a call. I'm always available to help troubleshoot. And I know what it's like to just, hearing aid quits, you panic, and now what do I do? So if you have questions, give me a call, 306-3050. Thanks. Hi, everybody.